little friends. I'm your friend Sheetal.
Yay!
Welcome back to our learning house. Today we will discover a yummy secret for staying healthy and strong. Can you guess what it is? Guess? Is it chocolate again? No, not this time. The secret is eating fruits every day. These chips look so tasty. Should I eat them? Yes, eat me. I am a crunchy and salty. Wait, don't forget me. I am an apple full of vitamins that make you strong and smart. Oh, really? What happens if I eat you? When you eat fruit, your tummy feels happy. Your body gets energy.
Yay!
And you don't fall sick easily. But too many chips can make you weak and tired.
Wow! Then I choose fruits.
Let's sing the song with me.
Whoa!
Let's clap first. Fruits, eat them all. Big and small, round and tall. Fruits, eat them all. Big and small, round and tall. Banana, apple, grape so sweet. Banana, apple, grape so sweet. Fruits are the best thing to eat. Fruits are the best thing to eat. Now it's a playtime. I will say a food name and you shout fruit or not fruit. Mango. Think. Yes, it's a fruit. Pizza. It's not a fruit. Grapes. Tell me, kids, it's a fruit or not a fruit? Yeah, it's a fruit. Burger. It's not a fruit. Watermelon. Yeah, it's a fruit. Yay! You are all fruit champions. So friends, today we have learned eating fruits every day makes us strong, happy and full of energy. Great job, friends. Clap your hands if you love fruits. And don't forget to subscribe us. Till then, bye bye my little superheroes.